It's me, Sissy, back. Just finished my wreath video. If you saw that one, I'm going to show you how we're going to transform a tomato cage and some cut-offs from our Christmas tree or from our yard into a evergreen gnome. Okay, so I took my tomato cage and I covered it with all my little bundles, and now we're going to turn this into a gnome. So I got a little hat from Dollar Tree. And that's going to go right on the top. Okay, and I just have a piece of beige material, and then I have a couple of cotton balls, and we're just going to put them in here, squeeze the material around, and make a little gnome nose. Okay, we're just going to take some floor wire and wrap it tightly around the back to make our nose, and then we can use the wire to attach it once we get it made. Twist our wire around, and we're going to trim off the excess fabric. Okay, we're going to put his hat on. Then we're going to look, see, we want his hat to be about right there. So this looks like a good spot for his nose. So we're going to take his hat off, and then we're just going to wire our little nose we made right to this branch. So there's his nose. Okay, that looks like a good gnomey nose. And now for his beard, I really wanted to use the white mops from Dollar Tree, but they didn't have any, so we're going to use these microfiber dust mops. And we're going to cut them to be more beard shaped, actually. So. Okay, so we want him to go up above his nose so we can pull the hat down over it. And we'll trim them up a little bit. We're just going to put these on with the floor wire also. Okay, so we're just going to take our floor wire, cut a piece. We're going to squish it up, and we're going to, that's a technical term, y'all. We're going to gather it up, and we're just going to wrap a piece of wire around it, much like we did the nose. Twist it, and then we're going to wire it to the top of our tree form. And you want to go a little above his nose. Do the same thing with the other one. we're going to put his hat back on. There we go. And we're going to give his beard a little trim. Both sides. Okay, now he looks more like a gnome. And as an added touch, I got one of these scarves from Dollar Tree, and we're going to tie it around his waist. Make him a little Santa belt. And I'm going to zoom out a little bit so you can see I just have an old pair of my sneakers. I'm going to give him some little feet. I'm just going to push them through the bottom of the tomato cage. Okay, y'all, that's my little Christmas gnome standing at my front door waiting on Christmas to come. Remember, if Sissy can do it, you can do it too. It's not too late to decorate for Christmas. I'm still getting mine put up, but I'm going to finish it today. So we got 2 weeks, so it's still good. Y'all have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Three, two, one. Okay, so this is how I displayed my two framed gift bags and my little jolly sign. Let's see if I can zoom in on it, and my little forest of trees. I think it turned out really cute, and I put some little blue snowflake lights behind there, and then I have my Let It Snow snowman sign, all from Dollar Tree. Okay, this is the little puppy on top of the tree. I think he's adorable. I was debating whether he needed arms or not, but I'm just going to leave him as he is. Three, two, one. Hey, it's me, Sissy. Back. Just finished my wreath video. If you saw that one, I'm going to show you how we're going to transform a tomato cage and some cut-offs from our Christmas tree or from our yard into a evergreen gnome. Three, two, one. Okay, y'all, that is my little snowman. No. 3, 2, 1. Okay, y'all, that's my little Christmas gnome standing at my front door waiting on Christmas to come. Remember, if Sissy can do it, you can do it too. It's not too late to decorate for Christmas. I'm still getting mine put up, but I'm going to finish it today. So we got 2 weeks, so it's still good. Y'all have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.